it exploding up. We're gonna make money either way. We're gonna discuss those 5 stocks. We're gonna start with fcel energy. We talked about it in our Patreon. Exactly, we said don't buy until we have a confirmation above this resistance, the $6.95. Perfectly, we discussed it around the 16th of December, and today is the 27th, and look what happened. We didn't, and we got rejected exactly around the $6.95. Look how beautiful it is. Let me close up. Okay, perfect. You see how we got rejected around the 6.95. So that's why I always tell my hunters on Patreon and even on our Discord here on Lucrum Investing, which is lead analyst with Stock Curry and the other YouTubers. So here I'm an analyst, so you can join us in the link comment section below if you want. And as I said, perfect hunt for this one. We got rejected. That's why I said take a profit around the $6.95 and get in if we just have a closing candle above. And look, from the 16 we didn't have any closing candle above. You see, we have just contraction area below. So this is how the technical save us a lot of money. So right now what we should expect, right now I will just be clear from fcel energy until we have a clear from this resistance, the $6.95. okay, just put notification, the price go up and close above here. We're gonna see the price go for this profit taking area, which will be around the $8. okay, the $8.32. so this is will be, let me calculate it, would be around the 19%, 20% profit. Perfect. Okay, this is would be a safest bet. And again, right now after this rejection we need to hold above the 5.80 if we don't want to go to the $4.47. okay, the next up we have AMC doing kind of zigzagging movement, and a lot of people talking about Reddit what's going on for AMC because everybody waiting for the big explosion and going for the 1,000 per share for AMC. However, in the meantime, as I said, don't listen to a lot of people talk about the price jump for their hoping and wishful thinking. Here we have the probability of the price will go here, get rejected, take a profit, re-enter. This is the way if you want to make money. Otherwise, if you want to lose money, do your own strategy. However, I did back test all my strategy, so I know what's work, what is not, and if it's going down, I just take the last 5% and load up on the price when they go down, like what happened when we predicted the price to go around the 20, and I said to my hunter on Discord and Patreon to buy here, and it was perfect entry. You see, so you don't have to worry and buy around here, around the 30 on here. You just buy once around this area, okay, around the 21. However, right now we have kind of confirmed descending line, you see, and rejection because what I said, we want to clear the 33. okay, the 33.87 is the massive resistance for AMC. Right now we confirm that we have a resistance and the price going down. However, right now we want to hold at least around the 25 and not going back around the 20 to do double bottom. This would be strong weakness. Okay, and the reversal will be starting around the 40 here above this the triangle will be a perfect scenario for AMC if we have this before the end of this year. Okay, around the 40 or the 39. Perfect for AMC. For the next one we have Charge Point. Okay, for Charge Point there's something really easy and clear for Charge Point. Look what's happened. First off, what we did, we escaped from this bearish movement, and right now the price escaped from this and got away from this bearish movement and waiting for reversal because we hold the 18, and right now we have just one resistance left for Charge Point to charge up, which is the 1921 precisely. Today we tested. Look with me what's going on. Okay, let me just tell the story. Here we have a fight between the seller and the buyer, and we have 3 candles closing near the resistance. Right now we want to just overcome this around the 1921, and guess what, the price will go for the profit taken. First profit taken will be pretty easy here around the 22.39. And let me just calculate this area. Yeah, around 17%. Just waiting to be made if we just close above it. Okay, and as I said, always have your precaution, because 18 should be hold. If we're not, we're gonna see the 16, 26, the best price to load up if got rejected, and never hold the 18. Next up we have Bfri. Okay, after this stock we're gonna talk about the stock that went crazy down and discount price because of massive news, and we're gonna tell you why never get caught up by those kind of stocks and hold 18% down or a big bag, because a lot of people holding a lot of stocks and they're relying on the news. Then the news went out, then is not as expected, the price will go down without, like, even if you put sell limit order or you want to get out, if you want to do stop loss, you can't, because the markets will gap. We're gonna talk about it after this one. Right now we have Bfri. As we said, this one is heavily talked here around the ape wisdom. So is right now the ape and Reddit, they talk about this stock, and is the third right now. Okay, is heavily talked about, and like prog was the first. Right now Bfri or bio Frontera is the third right now. So let's go again and see what's going on. And the big picture is still going up. We have this ascending line still support us, and we broking some resistance around this area, the $4, then the $7, and right now is the $9.57. Look with me, perfect support, the $9.57. Okay, so right now we have kind of resistance right now forming around the 14. This is normal, okay, because a lot of people just taken profit, and some people just bought around this area, around the 7, and made already almost 70 or 80%. So this is kind of psychological. A lot of people will trigger profit taken. Okay, so right now what we should expect for this stock? Are we gonna see the price go up again toward the 20, 30, 40? Yes. However, we have to have one thing to form right now, and confirm that we're gonna bounce above the 1050. This will be crazy good indication for strength. Okay, if we just bounce above the $10, okay, not going back here around the 9 or even around the $8.40. This is plausible. It's still bullish. Until this area is still bullish. I'm still bullish for this stock if we're still holding above this ascending line. Okay, but the best case scenario is holding above the $10. I will guarantee you before even the year end, we're gonna see a massive jump up again toward the 17 and 16. Okay, however, I would just am really bullish right now until we have respected this ascending line and still trading above it. Okay, this will be a nice trade to watch out for, and the best scenario, as I said, the $10.50 holding up above it. Lastly, we have this stock, as we said, it's called allk. It's been heavily talked about here as well. The sixth has jumped from the 90, imagine, from the $90 right now around the $10. You know what's happened? Because one thing, like the effect of the drug, it doesn't met their expectation. You see what's happening, because a lot of people buying some pharmaceutical stocks before the news, before the drug will be fully tested, you know. So you buy around the 70 and the hope for the price to go, because you see the best experience, like the price went until the 100 and you see it right now around the 70. So you buy and you think about the 100% gain, but you never think about what's gonna happen for the fundamental, because we never can control the fundamental. Okay, we can't. Like something happened with this drug. There's a lot of factors is outside our control. This is called gambling. That's why I don't gamble. I do technical analysis that at least at least save us from this behavior of the stock. And for the technical, even if I don't listen to the news, I would never buy this one because we're near the resistance, okay, which is around the 91. Even technically, I would not buy it, okay? That's why even technically we save us that we actually save ourselves from this big gap down. For this one, if you want to buy, I will just hold right now because we don't have a support. I will put just notification around the 25.73. And this will trigger the price will go up, and the trust for investor, a new investor, to come in again, or the fundamental will help when the new drug will be validated by FDA and have a better result in diagnostic phase. Okay, so the 25.73 will trigger the price to go up. Otherwise, I will stay clear from this stock. So this is a good example for you hunters and traders. Never rely on the news. Always add it with the technical and never gamble. Okay, if you want to gamble, okay, by all means do it by yourself and you take your risk. However, don't put all your money in one basket. Think twice. Trading, investing is a long marathon. Just take it one step at a time. Breathe. Don't just jump. Don't like imagine the 1,000% or 100% up. Imagine the downsides as well. Take all the factors. As in your life, take all the factors. What's gonna happen? What's gonna go wrong? And trust me, when you have this kind of mentality, yeah, it's kind of negative. But in the trading, this is not negative thinking, but this is preparing. Okay? If you prepare enough, you never be stressed and you never be paranoid when the price go down or the markets will crash or something like this, because I prepare for it. If the market crash, or everybody talk about the market crash and we have a new coronavirus and something like this, I'll never panic. I'm ready for it. You know, if the price go down, I'll make money. If the price go up, I'll make money. So why panic? So if you want to know how to build a strategy and to know how to prepare for the market, even a crashing or going up, but you join us in Patreon. We have a meeting one-on-one. We can discuss your strategy, and even Discord. If you like Discord, we have even a Discord, a big analyst, not even just me. There's another analyst in this Discord channel. Discuss options, stocks, forex, crypto, whatever you actually trading. We have it. So let's get right to it. Start the new year with more focus and more preparing before you get in the market for the next year. So see you in the next update.